Hello, good morning, good afternoon. Right now I'm taking you to the oil factory, vegetable oil factory. So this factory is capable of producing around 5,000 buckets of oil of 10 liters per day. So we are also upgrading to produce around 10,000 buckets a day.
That is the area. We start from where?
So we start from there, outside. Yes, we start from outside where the red oil, I would say, comes inside. Then it is filled in that tank. That tank is like a stocker for the raw material. Then it moves here. Here it is heated around 60 degrees Celsius, and then we add what we call earth. Earth, it's a substance that removes dirt and color from the red oil, I would say. Yes. Then this is a filter that filters the earth we put in the oil. As you can see, we just finished to filter. Then the oil moves here. Here it is like a medium stocker. We can stock around, I would say, 140 big tanks of oil. Then it moves here. Here, this is where the main process is made. Here, we heat it around 260 degrees Celsius to remove all the dirt and water that is in the oil that came with the oil. Then we put on the standard of the Nationalization Bureau, because they tell us to remove some fats and remain with other fats to equilibrate with the normal consumption of people. Bora is better quality than Hamu. Yes, but this one you can use in everything, anything you can want to use it for. Yes.
And the machine is semi-automatic?
Yeah, it is automatic, semi-automatic. Yes, because you have to push a button, but it has a quantity to fill in the bucket. Okay. Yes. And also we are making plans to upgrade here. We are making another plan to expand the production. So the line starts there, where we put the star line. We just saw they are coming from the oil factory. Then they mix with acid and other, I don't know how to call it, but in English, it comes from palm oil. Yes, we mix it and acid, then it comes here in this big tank. It removes dirt in the sterling and the oil, so that the soap can come out fresh and good looking, as you may see here.
It's only this color.
No, we have this color, we have blue, we have dark chocolate, which is very effective in doing the washing clothes. Yes. Yeah. And this color is for washing dishes and washing body. Yes.
The East Africa Business Council EABC, supported by Trademark East Africa TIMEA, is conducting industrial visits across the East Africa region to obtain that evidence-based policy advocacy on edible oil, sugar, cement and litter companies. We are going to hear Mr. Alberic Unagire, the Chief Finance Officer of Good Life Services GOLISE, where he is going to tell us about Good Life Services and challenges that they have as an edible oil company. Let's hear him.
My name is Alberic Unagire. I'm the Financial Director of Good Life Services, which is a company that produces drinks, soft drinks and alcoholic drinks. The main products manufactured by the company are water, whiskey, wine, vegetable oil, soap, liquid soap, sanitizer, and also whiskey and gin. Our total investment is overall, I would say it's around $10 million. We have around 500 employees. Our key markets are in East Africa, around East Africa, and also internal as Burundi, in all the provinces. The company is not really producing at full capacity, as I mentioned, because of lack of trained employees, also lack of this and that, like NTBs, barriers like currencies, like electricity mainly. And the reason why I just mentioned, because there are a lot of barriers that keep us behind from the success and the performing at a full capacity. The main challenges we face, there are currently NTBs, like a lot of taxes between the region, between the fellow countries. Also, I would say standards, because in Tanzania they really push us to first pass in their nationalization bureau in order to sell the goods in their country. So they also, we have a lot of taxes here in Burundi on import. We have a big rate of tax on the imports, and also, as I mentioned, lack of trained employees. To match the technology that is coming on the market, in the companies today, we have to train a lot, to train them to give us a great production, a successful and effective production. So what I will recommend on the EAC partner states is to harmonize firstly the currency, so that we may exchange, we may trade freely and 100% really efficiently, and create this this friendship of bills, and also we stop using foreign currencies as internal bill currency. So this will help a lot to exchange, as we import 90% of the raw materials from EAC. I don't see the reason why we would use external currency bills as we are trading. I would also recommend the partner states of EAC to accept and harmonize the standards of bureaus as they have their own in the countries. I would say that if the product has been accepted in one country, I think it should be accepted in all the countries that are in the EAC. Yes. So, and I think we would also harmonize the taxes, remove taxes like free trade, so that the market can grow, expand. As we know, Congo is a big market, and also it's not yet in the infiltrated in the EAC partner states as free trade and exchange. So I think we might also boost the integration of DRC fully, because it is slowing down the economy of EAC, also the economy of Congo as a partner state. I would also recommend to the fellow partner states to remove all the COVID fee. As we know right now, COVID has decreased a lot, and we are still paying a lot of fees. As here in Burundi, Congolese, they pay around $50 to enter, and again they also pay to exit. So this is a huge amount as a customer that comes to buy from us and export, like take the products in their country.